Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 5th April 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 23 points up move at the level of 11,708, and US markets have done pretty okay for itself. Yesterday DowJones up by 166 points, Nasdaq down by 3.7 points, S&P up by 5.99 points. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green, 2 flat in today's pre-open and open session. Indian markets have delivered a great blast yesterday. Just by following my support, you could have probably made in excess of 3,000 rupees yesterday. Just by following my support, I had told you that the market will take a support around the level of 11,548 levels. However, it did not come up to 11,548. However, it stopped at 11,559 and afterwards went all the way till 11,600. So about 40 points up move from the level of support, and it took support and went all the way till 11,600. Just by determining that, you could have made in excess of 3,000 rupees, because yesterday was a weekly expiry and the market's volatility was really huge. The call went from 63 to around 128 rupees with just 40 points up move in Nifty. So that is the power of technical analysis, guys. Remember, technical analysis can give you wings to fly high, really high. So there is a technical analysis session happening tomorrow where you can make 3% to 15% every month on a monthly basis. You can just trade 15 minutes per day and make all that money for yourself on a daily basis. You can trade just 15 minutes and make 3 to 15% per month, and you can make around 36% very easily with this particular trading techniques which I'll be teaching, which does not require you to follow the technical direction of the market. If the market is going upwards or downwards, it does not matter to us. We will be making money if it goes up or down or stays sideways as well. So that is what I'll be teaching you. You can make 3 to 15% very decent profits, beating the deposits, the FDs what you will be keeping. So that is happening tomorrow and day after tomorrow in 91 Springboards Residency Road. I have around 4 seats left for tomorrow. I have 26 students participating tomorrow. If you want to enroll, click on the first link in the description below. You will be taught 5 strategies which makes you money on a monthly basis. That being said, let's jump into Indian markets. What are the supports and resistances? First of all, fast stochastic is at the level of 63 and slow stochastic is at the level of 77. So fast stochastic and slow stochastic both are denoting we are not in an overbought zone. The market may plunge from here onwards. It seems that the market is about to go up from here onwards. It may cross the level of 11,760. If it does, if it has to go upwards, the next level will be 12,300. Mark my words, guys, 12,300 is the next level where the market can go up to if 11,760 is barred and stored, or it will be closing above that particular level. So what is MACD suggesting? MACD is at the level of 174, whereas the exponential at 170. So MACD is not showing we have very great momentum in the market, but anyways it is positive. So what are the supports and resistances we have to watch out for? The first level of resistance we have to watch out for is 11,600. Though it is just 2 points, we may open flat in today's session. 11,600 will be a very strong resistance for the market. if the market is not yet going above that. So 11,600 will be a very strong resistance, and 11,624, 11,665 levels, and the level of 11,710, 11,760 are the levels of support we have, or the levels of resistance we have to watch out for. And what are the levels of support we have to watch out for? The first level of support comes at 11,559 itself, where the market stalled yesterday and went up. 11,548 to 11,550, which is a psychological support, is the level we have to watch out for. And below that, the 11,500 level is a very strong support for the market. Below that, 11,453 is the next level of support we have to watch out for. Below that, the 11,426, 11,408 are the levels we have to watch out for. If that is bad, then 11,344 will be the next support we have to watch out for. So those are the levels of supports we have to watch out for in today's session, guys. Mark my words, just by following my supports, you will be able to make a decent amount of money. So that is the technical analysis knowledge for today. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I will teach you 5 strategies which makes you money on a monthly basis, about 3 to 15% by trading just 15 minutes per day. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.